If you're trying to delete a file or folder and getting the error, could not find this item, this is no longer located, then this video will help you fix it. First, open this PC and locate the drive where the file is stored. Right-click the drive, select Properties, go to the Tools tab, and under Error Checking, click Check, then Scan Drive. Once the scan is complete, try deleting the file again. If the issue still remains, install WinRAR on your PC. After installing it, right-click the file or folder that won't delete, choose WinRAR, then click Add to Archive. In the Archive window, enable Delete Files after archiving, then click OK. WinRAR will create an archive and automatically remove the original file or folder. After that, simply delete the newly created archive and you're done. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
To be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. And I'm staying strong, need to move on.